Hi guys, in this video I will show you one of the houses here in the old Taipa Houses Museum, and I'll show you the inside of this house. So keep on watching guys. Let's go. Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. So today's video, I will show you around the house here in one of the house of the Taipa Houses Museum. So I will show you inside, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. So this place is a collection of the things in the past. It's all about the past of Macau, and in this room they showed all the dresses for weddings, the people that wear before when they have weddings, and these are the instruments maybe for during the weddings. And I don't know how this, and there's a food there for sure that's wine. And the rice also. And then in these chairs, the groom and the bride will give tea to their mother. Yeah, so the mother and the father will sit there, and then the groom will kneel down and the bride and then give the tea to their parents. So this is how the wedding happens during the time of the Portuguese and the Chinese era. Those pictures are all about the weddings before. They reenact it so that the tourists will see how it happens before. So that's how it is. So they have actually a TV that shows the wedding before, so that the visitor or the tourist can see how they do the weddings before. So it's their culture, it's their beautiful culture. They're showing their beautiful culture here. So let's go down. You can see here. Yeah. So at the back of me is the wedding gowns, wedding garment of female and male, the groom. So that's their wedding gown, and that is a kid's garment. Yeah. So it's nice. And this one is the fisherman's garment.